Did you know that Queen Victoria's grief transformed an entire empire into a shadow of mourning for 40 years? When Prince Albert died in 1861, Victoria didn't just lose her husband, she lost her mind to an obsession that would reshape Britain forever. She preserved Albert's room exactly as he left it, his clothes laid out daily, his shaving water brought fresh each morning. For 4 decades she spoke to empty air, convinced his spirit lingered in the darkness. Victoria dressed only in black, turning her widowhood into a sacred performance. She held seances, desperately clawing at the veil between life and death. Her children became prisoners of her guilt, blamed for their father's demise, manipulated through psychological warfare disguised as motherly love. While she hid from public duty, her iron grip on power never loosened. Britain itself began to mirror her perpetual mourning. Black became the color of an empire. Grief consumed her identity so completely that Victoria ceased to exist as anything but Albert's widow. Her pathological mourning didn't just break a queen, it broke a nation's spirit.